Competitive landscape, global positioning of OpenAI's o3-mini model in AI by 2026. Introduction. As OpenAI prepares to release its new AI model o3-mini, the competitive landscape in artificial intelligence AI is evolving rapidly. With significant backing from Microsoft to the tune of $6.6 billion, OpenAI aims to redefine its market position and capabilities, particularly in the face of formidable competitors such as Google and emerging players like DeepSeek. This report analyzes the feature's competitive dynamics, expert opinions, and public reactions surrounding the o3-mini model, setting the stage for its anticipated impact on the AI landscape by 2026. Key developments and features of o3-mini. 1. Performance metrics. The o3-mini model boasts impressive performance statistics, achieving 96.7% accuracy in complex math, 87.7% in PhD-level science, and 71.7% in software programming tasks. This performance positions it as a leading contender in AI capabilities, particularly in reasoning tasks. Utilizing a chain of thought technique to enhance its thoroughness and accuracy. 2. Virtual assistant functions. OpenAI is expanding into the virtual assistant market with the integration of a new tasks feature in ChatGPT designed to directly compete with established players like Siri and Alexa. This move reflects a broader industry trend towards embedding AI into everyday tasks and enhancing user engagement. 3. Cost considerations. Despite its advances, the operational costs of o3-mini are considerable, estimated at $1.10 per million input tokens. This cost is approximately 7 times higher than its predecessor GPT-4o mini, though still 63% cheaper than the o1-mini. Such pricing raises concerns about accessibility, particularly for smaller companies looking to leverage AI technology. For real-world application concerns, experts caution that high benchmark performance does not necessarily correlate with effectiveness in real-world scenarios. The complexity of practical tasks often exceeds the constraints defined in benchmark datasets, necessitating comprehensive testing before widespread adoption. Competitive landscape analysis. Competing models. Google is advancing with its Gemini 2.0 flash thinking model, emphasizing superior reasoning capabilities. Additionally, competitors like DeepSeek are emerging with lower training costs and operational expenses, potentially changing the market dynamics. Market dynamics. The AI sector is experiencing an arms race, with tech giants investing heavily in innovation. OpenAI's launch of o3-mini is a strategic attempt to solidify its market share amidst an increasingly concentrated competitive environment. Expert opinions and public reactions. Expert insights. Experts provide mixed reviews of the o3-mini model. Some celebrate its potential while others express caution regarding the implications of its advancements, particularly concerning artificial general intelligence (AGI). Analysts emphasize the necessity for responsible AI development, highlighting ethical and safety considerations as capabilities expand. Brian Hopkins, Forrester Research. He acknowledges the model's achievements but warns against overestimating its capabilities, emphasizing the need for a measured approach to AI advancements. Matt Marshall, VentureBeat. He notes the exceptional performance on benchmarks but raises concerns about the high computational costs that may limit adoption. Dr. Gary Marcus, AI researcher. He views the o3-mini as an incremental advancement rather than a groundbreaking innovation, emphasizing the limitations that still exist within AI technology. Public reactions. Public reactions to the o3-mini model have been varied. While there is excitement about the enhanced functionalities, concerns over costs and accessibility are prevalent. Many users express skepticism regarding whether the o3-mini can effectively meet practical needs given its operational expenses and performance limitations in real-world applications. Timeline of events. December 2024, OpenAI announces the upcoming o3 model, showcasing high benchmark performances. January 2025, the o3-mini model is unveiled with anticipation surrounding its public release and integration into ChatGPT. End of January 2025, the o3-mini is scheduled for release, potentially reshaping the competitive landscape. Implications for the future. As OpenAI launches the o3-mini model, its impact on the AI industry is expected to be significant. The model not only aims to enhance AI's reasoning capabilities but also positions OpenAI to compete directly with established players in the virtual assistant space. However, the high operational costs and questions surrounding real-world applicability will be pivotal in determining its success. Conclusion. OpenAI's o3-mini model represents a crucial development in the AI landscape. With its advanced reasoning capabilities and new applications, it has the potential to impact various sectors significantly. However, the economic implications and real-world applicability will ultimately dictate its success in a competitive environment increasingly dominated by a few key players. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, OpenAI's strategic moves will play a critical role in shaping the future of AI technology and its integration into everyday tasks. The competitive landscape surrounding OpenAI's o3-mini model reveals several counterintuitive aspects that challenge conventional wisdom in the AI industry. Here are some of the notable points. 1. High benchmark performance versus real-world effectiveness. While the o3-mini model boasts impressive benchmark scores such as 96.7% accuracy in complex math and 87.7% in PhD-level science, experts caution that these results may not translate into real-world applications. The complexities of real-world tasks often exceed those defined in benchmark datasets, leading to the paradox that a model can excel in controlled tests while struggling in practical scenarios where tasks are more nuanced and unpredictable. 2. Cost versus capability. The operational costs of running the o3-mini model are significantly high, estimated at $1.10 per million input tokens. This figure is about 7 times more expensive than its predecessor GPT-4o mini, yet still considered a bargain compared to the o1-mini model. This presents a counterintuitive situation where, despite its advancements and potential for higher performance, the model's cost may render it less accessible for smaller firms or individual users, thereby limiting its widespread adoption despite its capabilities. 3. Reasoning models and human interaction. The introduction of reasoning capabilities in the o3-mini model utilizing a chain-of-thought technique enhances its problem-solving abilities. However, this increase in performance creates a paradox in human-AI interaction. As the AI becomes better at generating accurate outputs, humans may develop a false sense of reliability and overlook errors, complicating the review process. This indicates that improvements in AI performance can inadvertently lead to diminished vigilance in human oversight. For market dynamics and accessibility, the emergence of competitors like DeepSeek, which claims lower training costs and operational expenses, underscores a counterintuitive shift in the market dynamic. Despite OpenAI's substantial backing from Microsoft and its advanced models, the competitive landscape is characterized by alternative models that perform similarly at a fraction of the cost. This raises questions about the sustainability of OpenAI's pricing model and its ability to maintain market share as more affordable options become available. 5. Safety and control challenges. The o3-mini model achieves a medium-risk rating for autonomy due to its advanced capabilities in coding and reasoning, which paradoxically makes it harder to control compared to earlier models. This indicates a counterintuitive relationship where increased capabilities may lead to greater risks, complicating safety evaluations and regulatory compliance. The expectation that more sophisticated models should inherently be safer is challenged by this reality. 6. Public perception versus expert opinions. While public excitement regarding the o3-mini's capabilities is palpable, expert opinions reveal skepticism about its immediate applicability and the implications of high operational costs. This dichotomy suggests that the enthusiasm generated by marketing and media narratives does not always align with the more cautious and nuanced assessments from industry experts. These counterintuitive elements highlight the complexities and challenges inherent in the rapidly evolving AI landscape, where advancements bring both opportunities and unintended consequences. In analyzing OpenAI's competitive landscape regarding its upcoming o3-mini models, several key aspects often overlooked in mainstream discussions emerge, which are crucial for understanding the model's potential impact and positioning within the broader AI ecosystem. Below are significant points that deserve more attention, along with explanations of their importance. 1. Real-world performance versus benchmark success. While the o3-mini boasts impressive benchmark scores, 96.7% accuracy in complex math, 87.7% in PhD-level science, and 71.7% in software programming, these metrics may not accurately reflect its performance in practical applications. Many experts emphasize that high performance on controlled datasets does not guarantee effectiveness in real-world scenarios, which are often more complex and nuanced. This is significant because organizations considering adopting the o3-mini need to be cautious about assuming that these benchmark results will translate to similar success in their specific use cases. The disconnect between benchmark performance and real-world applicability could lead to overinvestment in technology that does not deliver the expected returns. 2. Cost implications. The operational cost of the o3-mini is another critical factor that might be overshadowed by the excitement surrounding its capabilities. At approximately $1.10 per million input tokens, the o3-mini is priced higher than its predecessor but offers reduced costs compared to the o1-mini. Despite being 7 times more expensive than GPT-4o mini, it is still a significant expense for many potential users. The economic implications here are profound. Organizations must weigh the cost against the expected business value. This aspect raises questions about the democratization of AI technology and whether smaller companies can afford to implement such advanced AI models, leading to a potential widening of the gap between tech giants and smaller players. 3. Ethical and safety considerations. The o3-mini is reported to have advanced reasoning capabilities which may lead to challenges in ensuring ethical use and safety. Its classification as medium risk for autonomy indicates that it performs better than previous models in specific tasks, which could potentially enable it to circumvent safety protocols. This presents a dual-edged sword. While the model can enhance capabilities, it also complicates the landscape of responsible AI development. Experts have voiced concerns about the implications of deploying such powerful models without stringent oversight, pointing to the need for robust frameworks that can prevent misuse. This raises questions not only about the model's immediate applications but also about the long-term impact of AI on society. 4. Integration with existing platforms. The introduction of the Tasks feature within ChatGPT reflects OpenAI's strategic move to integrate advanced AI functionalities into existing platforms, directly competing with established virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. This integration signifies a shift towards making AI more accessible and useful in everyday tasks, enhancing user experience. However, the implications of this integration are significant. It could redefine user expectations for virtual assistants and elevate the competitive stakes among tech giants. The ability of o3-mini to perform complex tasks positions it uniquely within the AI landscape, potentially reshaping how users interact with technology on a daily basis. 5. Market dynamics and competitive response. The competitive landscape is evolving rapidly, with major players like Google and emerging entities like DeepSeek enhancing their AI offerings. The release of the o3-mini occurs amid a backdrop of intense competition, with companies racing to develop models that not only match but exceed current capabilities. OpenAI's strategic positioning of the o3-mini as a precursor to the more advanced o3 model indicates a calculated approach to maintaining relevance in a crowded market. This dynamic is crucial for stakeholders to understand, as it highlights the importance of continual innovation and adaptation in the face of evolving consumer expectations and technological advancements. 6. Public perception and skepticism. Public reaction to the o3-mini has been mixed. with enthusiasm tempered by skepticism regarding its practical utility and cost implications. Concerns about accessibility and the potential for increased disparities in AI adoption are prevalent in discussions among industry experts and users alike. This sentiment reflects a broader anxiety about the implications of advanced AI technologies on societal structures and individual agency. Understanding public perception is vital for OpenAI and similar organizations as they navigate the complexities of market acceptance and the ethical ramifications of their technologies. Conclusion. In summary, while the o3-mini represents a significant advancement in AI capabilities, several critical factors warrant deeper exploration beyond the surface-level excitement. The potential disconnect between benchmark performance and real-world application, the implications of its cost, ethical considerations surrounding its use, the integration of its features with existing platforms, the competitive landscape dynamics, and public perception all play a crucial role in determining the ultimate impact of the o3-mini on the AI market. Stakeholders must approach these developments with a nuanced understanding to navigate the complexities of this rapidly evolving landscape effectively. 1. Performance metrics and real-world applicability. The o3-mini model boasts impressive benchmark performance, achieving 96.7% accuracy in complex math, 87.7% in PhD-level science, and 71.7% in programming tasks. However, experts caution that high performance on benchmark datasets may not directly translate to real-world effectiveness. Complex real-world tasks often exceed the scope of defined benchmarks, leading to potential discrepancies between model performance in controlled environments versus actual application scenarios. As organizations consider adopting this technology, setting realistic expectations and conducting thorough testing becomes crucial to ensure the model meets practical user needs and context-specific demands. 2. Economic implications and cost considerations. The operational costs of the o3-mini model raise significant concerns regarding its accessibility. Priced at approximately $1.10 per million input tokens, it is 7 times more expensive than its predecessor GPT-4o mini, while still being 63% cheaper than the o1-mini version. This cost structure highlights potential barriers for smaller companies and startups seeking to leverage advanced AI capabilities. The economic implications extend to the broader AI market, where the financial viability of employing such models must be assessed against potential business value and return on investment (ROI). As organizations weigh the costs against benefits, understanding the pricing models of AI vendors becomes essential for informed decision-making. 3. Competitive landscape and market dynamics. OpenAI's o3-mini enters an increasingly competitive landscape dominated by tech giants like Google and emerging players such as DeepSeek. The competitive dynamics are characterized by an arms race in AI advancements, with significant investments driving rapid technological evolution. Notably, Google's Gemini 2.0 model and DeepSeek's lower-cost offerings pose formidable challenges to OpenAI's market positioning. The strategic moves by OpenAI, including its focus on integrating virtual assistant capabilities through the Tasks feature within ChatGPT, reflect a broader industry trend toward diversified applications of AI technology. Observers anticipate that the unfolding competition will further influence market share dynamics and shape future developments in AI. For expert opinions and ethical considerations, mixed reviews from experts highlight the need for caution in interpreting the advancements represented by the o3-mini model. While some celebrate its potential, others emphasize the importance of responsible AI development, particularly regarding ethical and safety implications as capabilities expand. Concerns about biases, the potential for misuse, and the broader societal impacts of AI technologies underscore the necessity for ongoing scrutiny and governance. As OpenAI navigates its market strategies, maintaining an emphasis on ethical standards and user safety will be pivotal in fostering public trust and ensuring the responsible deployment of AI innovations. 1. The Battle of the Browsers, 1990s, early 2000s. This historical case involved the fierce competition between web browsers. primarily between Microsoft Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator. With the rise of the Internet, Netscape was the first popular web browser, but Microsoft, leveraging its Windows operating system dominance, introduced Internet Explorer, which quickly gained market share. The competition intensified, leading to significant innovations in web technologies and features. Eventually, Internet Explorer achieved a monopoly, but legal battles ensued regarding antitrust violations, culminating in a landmark case against Microsoft in 2001. 2. The Cola Wars, 1980s to 1990s. The competition between Coca-Cola and PepsiCo, known as the Cola Wars, is a classic example of aggressive marketing and branding strategies. Each company engaged in a series of promotional campaigns, product launches, and market positioning efforts to capture consumer loyalty. The rivalry included notable marketing tactics such as the Pepsi Challenge, which invited consumers to blind taste test both brands. This competitive landscape led to innovations in marketing strategies, product diversification, and changes in consumer preferences, ultimately shaping the soft drink industry. 3. The Smartphone Wars, 2007-present. The introduction of the iPhone by Apple in 2007 revolutionized the smartphone industry, sparking intense competition among major players like Samsung, Google, and later Huawei. Each company aimed to capture market share through innovation, design, and aggressive marketing. Apple's iOS and Google's Android created a duopoly in the operating system market, leading to significant advancements in smartphone technology and features. The competition has driven rapid developments in mobile apps, hardware capabilities, and user experiences, significantly impacting consumer behavior and the global tech landscape. Future outlook. Predictions for OpenAI's o3-mini model by 2026. As OpenAI's o3-mini model makes its entry into the AI landscape, several trends and predictions can be outlined for its future positioning, market dynamics, and competitive landscape by 2026. This analysis takes into account the current developments, anticipated advancements, and potential challenges that the model may face. 1. Market penetration and adoption rates. By 2026, o3-mini is expected to achieve significant market penetration, particularly in sectors requiring advanced reasoning capabilities such as scientific research, software development, and complex problem solving. The model's integration as a free tool within ChatGPT will likely enhance its accessibility, attracting a broader user base, including educators, researchers, and developers. As organizations increasingly turn to AI to enhance productivity, o3-mini could see adoption rates similar to or surpassing those of previous models like GPT-4. 2. Advancements in AI capabilities. OpenAI is likely to continue refining the o3 model, building on the foundation laid by o3-mini. By 2026, enhancements in reasoning capabilities, context understanding, and adaptability will be pivotal. Experts predict that models will increasingly incorporate more sophisticated techniques, such as improved chain-of-thought reasoning and better handling of ambiguous queries. These advancements will not only bolster the accuracy of responses but may also lead to the development of more intuitive AI systems capable of learning from user interactions. 3. Shifts in competitive landscape. The competitive landscape will evolve significantly, with OpenAI positioning itself against formidable competitors like Google and emerging players like DeepSeek. Predictions suggest that Google will enhance its Gemini models further, potentially introducing new features that challenge OpenAI's offerings. However, OpenAI's substantial funding and historical commitment to innovation will provide a competitive edge. By 2026, the AI market may see a consolidation of major players, with OpenAI and Google leading, while smaller startups may struggle to capture market share due to resource constraints. 4. Cost dynamics and accessibility. While o3-mini's operational costs are lower than some predecessors, they remain a concern for small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs). By 2026, there may be pressure for OpenAI to reduce costs further to maintain competitiveness against models like those from DeepSeek, which offer lower operational expenses. This could lead to a broader debate on the democratization of AI technology, balancing advanced capabilities with affordability. If OpenAI can achieve cost reductions, it may expand its user base significantly. 5. Real-world applications and business value. OpenAI's focus on translating high benchmark performance to real-world applications will be critical. By 2026, businesses will increasingly evaluate AI models not just on their benchmark achievements but on their practical effectiveness and ROI. OpenAI's ability to showcase successful case studies in diverse applications such as healthcare, finance, and education will be essential in affirming the business value of the o3-mini model. 6. Ethical and regulatory considerations. As AI technologies become more integrated into daily life, ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks will come under scrutiny. By 2026, there may be increased calls for transparency in AI operations, especially concerning biases and safety. OpenAI will need to navigate these regulatory environments carefully, ensuring that its technologies adhere to best practices in AI ethics. This may also involve collaboration with regulators to establish standards that promote safe AI use while fostering innovation. 7. User experience and interface innovations. User experience will play a crucial role in the success of o3-mini. By 2026, advancements in user interfaces will likely enhance the interaction between users and AI, making it more intuitive and efficient. Features like personalized AI assistants or enhanced task management tools could become standard, aligning with the industry trend toward integrating AI into everyday workflows. OpenAI's ability to adapt its products based on user feedback will be vital in maintaining user engagement and satisfaction. 8. Integration with existing technologies. The integration of o3-mini into existing platforms such as Microsoft's ecosystem will be a significant driver of its adoption. By 2026, predictions indicate that OpenAI will have forged numerous partnerships enabling seamless integration of AI capabilities into various applications and services. This could include everything from virtual assistants in consumer products to AI-driven analytics in business intelligence tools, further embedding OpenAI's technology into the fabric of digital interactions. 9. Emerging trends in AI development. By 2026, trends such as AI agentification, where AI systems become more autonomous and capable of acting independently, will be prominent. OpenAI's commitment to responsible AI development will shape its approach to these advancements. The company may lead discussions on regulatory measures to ensure that as AI systems become more capable, they also remain safe and aligned with human values. Conclusion. The future outlook for OpenAI's o3-mini model by 2026 is optimistic yet complex. The model is poised to make significant strides in market penetration, technological advancements, and competitive positioning. However, challenges related to cost, ethical considerations, and real-world applicability will shape its trajectory. OpenAI's ability to navigate these dynamics will ultimately determine the o3-mini's success and its role in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. As organizations and individuals increasingly integrate AI into their daily lives, the importance of continuous innovation and responsible development will become paramount.